Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all of you are fine. Okay, today I come with a new topics. It is so important and so interesting. It is uses in our day-to-day life. Let's see what is the topics. Okay, so today we'll discuss the new topics related to class 9, chapter number 14. The name of the topics is what? The name of the topics is statistics. Statistics. Okay, we'll discuss the basic concept of the statistics, the definition of the statistics. What is statistics? Statistics, it's derived from the Latin word. Statistics is derived from the Latin word, the status. In general, we are asking what is your status. Sometimes we are asking about the school, what the status of this school, what is the status of this person, that person. That is that status. Status means what? Status means a political state. Okay, in general we will say the political state. At the beginning, there is originally the statistics was understood as the collection of what? Collection of data for the welfare of the state. Clear? At the beginning, the statistics was it was started so early that at the beginning the statistics was understood as the collection of data for the welfare of the state or the country. But nowadays, what is statistics? Let's see what is the statistics. Nowadays, presently, statistics means what? Statistics means a study of collection of data. A study of collection of data. Statistics means a study of organization of data. Study of organization of data. Statistics means a study of analysis of the data. Statistics means a study of interpretation of the data. Not only welfare of the country or state. Nowadays, it is elaborately uses. Each and everywhere we are using statistics. Without statistics, we cannot survive. Understand? Wherever you can go, wherever you put your steps, everywhere the statistics is used. Clear? Now data, what is data? We are saying about the data. What is data? Data is nothing but the collection of the information with a definite purpose. There should be a purpose of collection of the information. You are collecting the information without purpose, you are collecting the information, that is not the data. There should be a purpose of definite purpose to collect the information. That information is called data. Clear? Okay, let's see. And data and information together. Data means in a meaningful structure, or in which way we arrange the information of the data. That is the statistics. That means what? Statistics is the structure of meaningful information. So in another way, what you can say statistics? Statistics is the meaningful information. Okay. Now, as we say that without statistics we cannot survive. Okay. Day-to-day life, where the statistics are used. Let's see where the statistics are used. At the beginning, I, myself as a teacher, and you, the students, we people are using the statistics. This is the big example for us. When we are giving the report card, annual report card, you get after the each and every year one card, report card. That is nothing but a statistics. Whole year performance, each and every subject's performance, whatever maths, science, social science, economics, or whatever the subjects are there, what is the whole year performance are recorded on that report card. Clear? You fail or pass, or you are getting the letter marks. Each and everything are noted down here. The informations, all the collection of the informations are noted down on the report card, and the collection of data, and we organize that data, we are analyzing the data, and last we are interpreting the data, and last we are giving the result, analysis that you get A plus or B plus or C plus or pass or fail, whatever, how much percentage you're getting. So education sector, in the education system, the statistics so usable. Not only the education sector, nowadays the profit and loss of the company for industry or whatever, the small scale industry or big scale industry, whatever the business purpose, whatever the profit or loss for the whole year, with the help of the statistics we can analyze it. I'm going to loss or I'm going to profit, and on that on the basis of that information, what next step I have to take for the run my business or company or industry. Okay, so games and sports, no need to say about the games and sports. If I sit in front of a TV watching the games, like for example, you can take the cricket. After each and every minutes, some graphs, some pictures, some informations come in the screen. Is it or not? That is nothing but the statistics. So without statistics, nowadays we can compare the games and sports, golf planning. The golf planning. So now in our country, the government of India, each and every political party is coming to form a government for 5 years. They are planning for 5 years, planning commission. Without the statistics, they cannot plan anything. And for that, the government has make two departments. One is CSO, that is Central Statistical Organization, another is state government also. They personally make it state statistics. So I think some of your parents are working in that department. If they are working there, you can ask that one. Health department. In health department nowadays, COVID-19. So big issues COVID-19. To compare, say if we see in front of TV, we'll get that this number of persons are infected in COVID-19. This number of people are tested. This number are infected. These are positive. These are negative. These are death. This is a USA number. This is India. This is Italy's numbers. So you can compare, and that comparison, the information, whatever the information we are getting, that is nothing but what? Statistics. So in a large way, to live in this world nowadays, the statistics used. Okay, without statistics, we cannot survive. So statistics is so important, so essential, not only for day-to-day life, for higher education also. Clear about the statistics? What is the statistics? Statistics is nothing but the structure of meaningful information. Just to keep the things in this way. Structure of meaningful information. How will make the structure? Collection of data, organization of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data. And what is that data? Data is nothing but collection of information with the definite purpose. Now how can you collect the information? From where you get the information? From any facts. The information we can collect from any facts. The information we can collect from the numerical figures. The information we will get from the newspapers. The information we will get the TV channels or others medias. Information will get from the magazines or journals or research papers anywhere. Okay. Now data, how many types of data are there? Data are two types. One is primary, one is secondary. So before coming to these two things, primary and secondary, let's see some examples. What are the examples? Now if I asked you, what is the number of shops in your locality? What will you do? You will take a paper, you will take a pen, and you will move around your localities. You will go each and every corner of your localities and collect. What is a grocery shop? How many grocery shops? How many vegetable shops? How many sweet shops? How many pharmacies? And you will collect the information directly from the source. Is it or not? Okay. Number of students of the class. If I asked, what is the number of students of class? You enter the class and you collect the information. Directly you collect the information. Or no, what is the number of boys? What is the number of girls? How many students are there? If I asked, what is the number of members of your family? The result will come. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brothers, sisters. whatever this, uncles, aunties, directly will get the information. Okay. But if I ask what is the result, board results of your school last 10 years, this time what will do? If I asked what is the information of the board result of last 10 years of a school, that time what will do? What will do? I or you must have to go somewhere to collect that information, where the information already stored. It may be the exam cell, it may be the board office, regional board office. Okay, so I am collecting this information from where? From other source, where already the information is gathered. Okay. Population growth of the country of last 5 years of your country. How will collect the information? The information already in the deputy commissioner's office or mandal office or somewhere subdivisional office. From there you have to collect the information. I cannot directly go and collect it. I have to go that cell and where the information already stored. From there I have to collect. Literacy rate of your country or your district or your state, how will collect? Same way, literacy rate. Otherwise you have to move each and everywhere, every peoples to collect. It is so hectic work, so better to collect. But it is given that literacy rate of last 5 years, then what will do? We cannot go each and every peoples to collect the literacy rate for last 5 years. The information already stored in somewhere. Nowadays the NIC, National Information Center, from there we can collect the informations, this type of informations. So 2 ways we can collect the informations. 2 ways the informations. One is what? One we can collect personally. One we can collect what? Personally. One is personally. Himself or herself. That is, the investigator collect the investigator who is investigated on that information. The investigator collect the information personally, himself or herself. This is one type. These 3 information you can collect personally. And another one, the investigator collected the data from a source where the information already stored or gathered. There are 2 ways of collection of information, and collection of information is nothing but what? Data. So if personally, that is first person directly collect the information, that is called primary data. That is known as primary data. And if an investigator collect the information from a source where already the data are stored, that is called secondary data. Clear my point? So this is the basic concept of the statistics. And what is the meaning of statistics? Status means what? Political state. And statistics is nothing but what? The statistics, the study of collection of data, organization of data, analysis of data, or interpretation of data. And data is what? Nothing but the collection of the information with definite purpose. And statistics is simply, we can say, structure of the meaningful information. And data are how many types? 2 types, primary data and secondary data. Now, the next class we will discuss about the presentations of data, how we will present the data. That we will discuss in the next class. There are some ways of presentation of data. What are the presentation? That is well organized means what? Increasing, decreasing way. Increasing, decreasing. Then tabulation form. Tabulation form. Then graph. Some graphs are there. And then histograph, histogram, bar diagram. Then what if polygon, polygon. Then what you can say, pie chart. In this way we can represent the data. Pie chart, no need of this class. In class 9 no need, already got in class 8, and remaining we will discuss in this class. So I hope you understand the basic concept of the statistics and types of the data, and what is data, that already clear to you. And this is the end of this session. Next day we will discuss the remaining. Thank you. Have a nice day.